Artoonza.
Hey there, pixel perfect artists and lens legends! Before we do anything else, smash that like button. Go on, your thumb is just sitting there doing nothing. Give it a job. Now, can you keep a secret? Today, we're drawing the coolest, most jaw-dropping digital camera with the biggest lens you've ever seen. And we're starting with a tape roller. Yes, a tape roller. Your art supplies just leveled up. This camera is so cool, even professional photographers might get a little jealous. We're talking big lens energy, bold lines, and strokes so smooth, they'll make your pencil feel like a superstar. So grab your black marker, channel your inner famous photographer, and let's bring this masterpiece to life together. Because the real magic, it's coming in the coloring section, and trust me, you do not want to miss it. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Give us a big thumbs up. All right, first things first, we're splashing on some sunshine yellow. Drop those juicy paint drops like you're the chef of a fancy art kitchen. Then swirl it all in with your brush. Yellow isn't just a color, it's a whole mood. It's lemonade on a hot day, it's banana energy, it's I woke up and chose happiness. This camera is basically soaking up pure golden vibes right now. Now grab that glitter polish. Silver first, sleek and shiny like a camera, straight off a Hollywood red carpet. Then hit it with black, mysterious and bold like it has secrets. Together, absolutely iconic. This camera just got famous. Smash that like button now. And finally, pink. Oh yes, we saved the best for last. Drop those gorgeous pink paint drops like confetti at the world's fanciest art party. Then brush it in like you mean it. Pink isn't just pretty, it's powerful, it's playful. It's the color that makes everything say, pick me up and never put me down. This camera just went from cool to completely irresistible. Your masterpiece is officially done, and honestly, it might be the most beautiful camera ever created. No pressure. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.